Have you ever dreamed of making money on YouTube but don't want to show your face? Many people are making passive income with faceless YouTube channels, and it's one of the best ways to earn money online. Stay tuned as I guide you through the step-by-step process to achieve this. Before we dive into this step-by-step tutorial, let's take a look at the potential for making money with a faceless YouTube channel. First, let's look at Philosophies for Life. This channel delves into giving ancient wisdom for modern living, generating $4,500 per month. Next up is Workout Guru, a fitness channel that provides workout routines and home exercises for men. They earn an impressive $6,200 per month. Moving on to technology enthusiasts, we have Top Tech Now 9344, known for top tech reviews and gadget insights, earning $6,600 per month. For those seeking tranquility, Great Meditation is a channel that provides original guided meditations with background music. They make $12,900 in monthly ad revenue. Lastly, let's explore Roberta's Gym, a channel that provides content with bodyweight workouts and exercises, achieving an incredible $63,200 in monthly ad revenue. Keep in mind that we're just looking at the ad revenue for these channels. There are more ways to make money with faceless YouTube channels. We'll look into these exciting avenues later. So as you can see, these creators are making big money, raking in thousands of dollars just by leveraging their creativity and skills. Now let's get started on how you can do it too. Step 1. Pick a niche. With a plethora of niches to choose from, make a list of your favorites. Remember, the CPM varies between niches. CPM stands for cost per mil, and it basically means how much you get paid for 1,000 views. Here are some examples to help you brainstorm or do some keyword research. The niches I'm listing here have the highest CPM. It's essential to find the one that suits you best. Now that you know what your YouTube channel is going to be about, it's time to move on to step number 2. Think of a video idea and title. Your video idea and title are crucial for visibility. I use vidIQ, which is the #1 software for YouTube ideas and keywords. With this powerful tool, you can select the right keywords for your video titles and descriptions, ensuring that your content reaches a broader audience. Click the link in the description to level up your YouTube channel. Step number 3, write your script. The script is the backbone of your video, and it's essential to take the time to dial it in. Your script will guide your audience through the video, so make sure it flows logically and keeps their attention. Don't rush this process. Take your time to refine your script, read it out loud to get a sense of how it flows and make any necessary adjustments. For script writing, I recommend using Google Docs because of its convenience, formatting features, and easy access. But you can use any text editor or even a pen and notepad, whichever works best for you. Step number 4, record your voiceover. Once you've dialed in your script, it's time to record your voiceover. You can use the free software Audacity, known for its user-friendly interface and ability to produce high-quality audio recordings, or you can also use Adobe Audition, a professional-grade software preferred by many YouTubers for its advanced features and exceptional audio processing capabilities. Whether you choose Audacity or Adobe Audition, the key is to ensure your voiceover sounds clear, engaging, and aligned with the tone of your video. For a professional voiceover, the Shure SM7B is the #1 choice among YouTubers for exceptional sound quality. However, if you're on a budget, the Blue Yeti is a fantastic alternative, offering impressive audio performance and ease of use. I will leave a link in the description for both of these. Once you've nailed your voiceover, you're one step closer to creating compelling and engaging content for your faceless YouTube channel. Step 5. Adding video clips and putting it all together. Combine your voiceover with video footage and images. Utilize stock footage from sources like Pixabay, Pixels, and Storyblocks that relate to your content. You can edit your video using Adobe Premiere Pro for a powerful experience, or free options like OpenShot, Shotcut, or iMovie. Step number 6, create a compelling title, description, and thumbnail. Optimize your video's reach with a compelling title using vidIQ's stellar keywords. Write a relevant description with niche-related keywords. Use Photoshop or Canva for a captivating thumbnail. Now you've completed the hardest part. Step number 7, monetize your channel. There are multiple ways to make money with your faceless YouTube channel. Ads. YouTube pays you a percentage of revenue from channel views. But first, you must have 500 subscribers and 3,000 hours of watch time. Sponsorships. As your audience grows, companies will pay you to promote their products, earning you anywhere from $500 to $20,000 per video. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services and earn a commission from each sale. Selling products. Offer digital or physical products related to your niche for additional revenue. I want to emphasize that I never claimed this journey would be easy. Building a successful, faceless YouTube channel takes dedication, effort, and perseverance. However, I'm here to tell you that with the right mindset and a willingness to learn and grow, you absolutely can achieve your goals. Embrace the process, stay determined, and the possibilities for success are limitless. I appreciate you watching this video, and if you want to learn more about making money online, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.